is Matthew, and this is my dining room. So today we're going to open up the playDoh Sweet Chalky. This is front of the box. This is the back of the box. So I'm just getting out all the pieces. That's all the pieces. Here's the instructions. So, number 1, get the base. Number 2, put these on each side. So how I do it is I just push it in, kind of. Push it in. Ugh. It's hard. Always have a responsible adult with you, okay? Ugh. Next, put this on. Next, you put this. Okay, what's that? Oh, that's wrong. This could go down, but it can't move. Okay? Oh, it could move. Push. So you just put it down very lightly. So next you put these things. You put in any way you want. I'm doing it this way. Just watch very carefully. I'm doing a pattern. Green, pink, pink, green. Next, this is how it works. You need this. I'm going to set it up, okay? Get all the playDohs. playDoh pluses are to make the designs. Okay, so I got everything ready right now. So guys, this is the best thing that you could do on Sundays or Mondays when there's no school, because today's Victoria Day. On Victoria Day, you have lots of fun because it's the world's greatest day. From the fireworks, I hope you didn't know, from the fireworks, rain comes, there's always rain from the fireworks because the fireworks prevents rain. So this is how it's all done. So guys, want me to tell you a little story? So once, this is what happened. I was a young boy and I had my playDoh plus thing, ice cream shop. And I loved ice cream so much. I loved ice cream and I loved it too much that I just kept making it and making it for hours. So what you have to do is to put your playDoh inside, however you want. Then you have to make something like, so I'm doing mint. So if someone wants mint or you want mint, you put the mint on and put this and twirl it. You see? It's coming out. Now it's done. Try to twirl around a little. I'm fine. So next, you could put some designs. So I'm putting a strawberry design. This kind of design. I'm putting this on. And this is the best. I love doing this because you got the feeling of you're in a real ice cream shop making people some ice cream. It feels really good to me. Instead of watching TV and stuff, I make videos for people to watch. This is the best day of my life because I'm making a video for you guys. And it just makes me smile when I make videos for you. When I make videos for you, it makes me smile so hard that I just can't stop smiling. So this is my bar. And you see that has like these bars on it, like these swirls that go like kind of down. But you can't really see them because they're covered in playDoh. So I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna put it in my playDoh. So there it is, my first playDoh. Bye.